Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about different ways to access resources and services in the AWS Cloud. Let's get started. Cloud computing provides access to resources and services over the internet. As a result, you need an internet-connected machine to access any cloud infrastructure. AWS Cloud resources and services can be accessed through the following ways: AWS Management Console, AWS Command Line Interface (CLI), and Software Development Kits (SDKs). Let's explain each of these access methods. AWS Management Console. AWS Management Console is a web-based interface to access and manage AWS Cloud resources and services. It provides everything you need to access, manage, and monitor AWS services. AWS Management Console provides secure login using your AWS or IAM account credentials, such as username and password. For security, login session automatically expires after 12 hours. Login time limits can be set on federated sessions based on organization's preference by using Federation API. All IaaS, AWS administration, management, and access functions in the AWS Management Console are also available in the AWS API and CLI. AWS Command Line Interface (CLI). AWS Command Line Interface (CLI) is a unified tool that can be used to manage your AWS services. It enables you to control multiple AWS services with just one tool. Using this tool, you can automate actions on services with scripts. This gives you power of automation that reduces human errors and gain persistent control on management. Software Development Kits (SDKs). Software Development Kits (SDKs) provides programmatic access to AWS services. SDKs provides Application Programming Interface (API) that is tailored to your programming language or platform. SDKs enables you to integrate management operations with your own applications. The API can be used on existing applications or new ones built on AWS. In summary, use any of these accessing methods to access and manage your AWS Cloud resources and services. That's all about accessing AWS services. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.